Hello, it's Monday, and here we are. We just had class, and now you can see what your assignment is for today. Right now, we are talking about atoms, atoms that make up everything on Earth. Everything that we have is made of atoms. There's certain types of atoms, and those atoms are elements put together. So each element that we have that makes up everything has their own certain atom. Each element has their own certain type of atom. Okay? What makes one element different from another is the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom that makes up that type. And I have a video here that explains that very thoroughly. And I have an excellent periodic table of elements here that's very interactive to help you for the assignment today. And if you look, you can see when you open it up, you can open up anything here like hydrogen, and you can read about hydrogen and everything about it. Okay? And you can take a look at different things there. And so what you're going to need today is you're going to need a piece of paper that you can use, a piece of paper that you can write down and draw atoms. This is your assignment. So for me, this was my assignment. What are the elements that make up plastic? So I looked up, I Googled, what elements make up plastic? And those elements are carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, sulfur, and nitrogen. So I drew all of the atoms of those, and I put in the protons, the neutrons inside of the nucleus, and then I made the rings like I saw in the pictures, and I put on the electrons for each of these. Notice I put the symbol of what they are instead of the name. So here's carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, sulfur, and nitrogen. Where did I find the symbols? Well, I'll show you. I found the symbols on the periodic table. So if you look here, all of the ones that I had, hydrogen, chlorine, sulfur, nitrogen, where's nitrogen? Right here, nitrogen, and carbon. Where's that carbon? Right here. Okay, so I looked here, and I saw that carbon has 6 protons, and the number of protons equal the number of electrons. And so that's where I found these. And I found the symbol. This is where I found the symbol. C for carbon, S for sulfur, Cl for chlorine, H for hydrogen, and so on. Okay? So then I had to go to Google. So I found, I went to Google and I typed in, what are the elements? What are the elements that make up plastic? And I Googled it. And here they told me carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, and sulfur. So I have those that make up plastic. And it looks like I need one more that I don't have. Hydrogen and sulfur, chlorine. So I also need to do oxygen on here. So I actually made a mistake. See? You might make a mistake too. So I would put an atom right here of oxygen that I don't have. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So That is what you need to do. Look here for all of the different elements, hydrogen, different ones that I did, but you are not going to do plastic. You are going to put in what are the elements that make up a tree. And then you're going to look what those are. You're going to go to the periodic table, find out the symbol. You are going to make a drawing like this. You're going to have a key down in the bottom here for your neutrons, protons, and electrons. And then you're going to take a picture of it, and you are going to put it on your assignment. Okay? So that's what it should look like. Remember, I made a mistake. I need a oxygen one here. So that's okay. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back and put oxygen here. This is what your sheet should look similar like, but you're going to have 3 elements. You're going to find out what 3 elements make up a tree, and then you're going to make a sheet that looks like this, snap a picture, and put it in your assignment. That is what you need to do for today. Okay, that's it for today. No other assignment. You're learning about atoms. You're learning about elements making up different things on Earth. And the symbol. Don't forget, use the symbol for your elements that you need to do. Okay? Any questions, email me. But you can do this. This will be due Tuesday. This will be due Tuesday. Thanks. Bye-bye.